Podos 26, I believe that in the Norte Dos it is 26 because there is 25 and 24. If I then see what is being covered as a road, it damages the access to the wells, and for doing testing and maybe also for other things. There we have number 27, yes, and then around the corners 28, 29, 30, where Fedde is currently doing his pressure build-up test. So, but this is terribly wrong with regard to access to the valve. Now I have to dig it out again. So Emak, we should have a look at trying to do something about this soon.